Hello everyone. Introducing EzzySENSE for remotely monitoring the hospital OTs from Black Box. Introducing EzzySENSE Hospital Operation Theatre Monitoring Kit. Alertware wireless sensor, temperature and humidity. Alertware wireless sensor, door open close. Alertware wireless air quality monitoring sensor. Alertware Bluetooth smart button. Fix the sensors at the different locations inside the operation theatre. EzzySENSE can be set up even in just 15 minutes. Once set up, the system works for at least 3 years without maintenance. As soon as the temperature is too high, or the air quality is too low, or there is any press on the SOS emergency button, EzzySENSE would generate an immediate alert notification. Alert tickets are generated and assigned automatically to the respective responsible people. The tickets are escalated to higher authorities if there is no resolution by the assigned person and duly closed by him or her.
Please visit www.bbxvisible.com for more information.